Ay, what's up mga people o dili people? May buntag ya. Mga pita. Magkakape tayo mga people and not people. This morning, this morning pa. Kumusta naman kayo dyan? Kumustang lagay nyo? Malaki pa rin? Huwag niyo palang kalimutan na mag-subscribe at mag-like at mag-share sa YouTube channel ko ha. Good vibes lang tayo dito. Good morning mga people and not people. Keep safe and it's Friday. It's Friday ha. Keep safe. Don't drink so much.